Little Blue Wonders.
Magical magnets, the secret invisible force. Ever played with a magnet and felt it grab something without even touching it? That invisible tug is called magnetism, and it's one of nature's coolest forces. From sticking to fridge doors to helping explorers find their way, magnets have some truly amazing tricks. Let's dive in and discover what makes these amazing magnets so special. What is a magnet? A magnet is a special kind of object that can pull certain materials toward it, almost like magic. This pulling power is called magnetism, and it works through an invisible area around the magnet called magnetic field. You can't see it, but it's always there, ready to push or pull. The power of poles. Every magnet has two ends, a north pole and a south pole. When a north pole meets a south pole, they snap together like best friends. But try putting two north poles or two south poles together, and you'll feel them push away. That pushing is called repulsion, like an invisible power pushing them apart. Magnetic friends. Magnets don't stick to everything. They only attract certain metals like iron, nickel, and cobalt. That's why they grab onto paper clips, metal toys, and fridge doors, but completely ignore plastic, wood, and cardboard. Magnets in action. Magnets do more than just stick things together. They help compasses point north, so travelers can find their way. They spin electric motors, make speakers play music, and even store information on credit cards. The biggest magnet. Did you know Earth itself is a giant magnet? Its magnetic field stretches far into space and helps guide compass needles all over the world. That's why no matter where you are, a compass can always point you toward the North Pole. The invisible field. Around every magnet is an invisible force field called the magnetic field. It's strongest near the poles and fades as you move away. Scientists study these fields to understand how magnets work, and they keep finding new ways to use them. From tiny fridge magnets to the magnetic field around our planet, magnetism is a force full of surprises. It can pull, push, guide, and power our world. So next time you hold a magnet, remember, you're holding a little piece of invisible magic, full of hidden powers. See you in the next video, when we will discover even more amazing things about our world. The end.
Little Blue Wonders.